Okay, welcome back to the channel and another project. Real simple one. If you like to do woodworking, this might be something you like to start out with. Very good to start out with easy things to do. And what they are, just like little, I guess you want to call them little signs, little platforms, whatever you want to call them. Really easy to make, and you find a lot of these in town. I think Walmart has them. A couple other companies carry them too. But you can make them yourself. And this is made out of one picket fence. Actually, there's enough to make a couple of them out of it. And it's I've ran it through the planer, but you don't have to run it through a planer. You can go ahead and sand it down after you build it. And it's really nice to put like pictures, small pictures, whatever they, 6x9s or 6 by something, or a bigger one, and that would be something like maybe an 8x11, 8x11 and a half. And then you can just tack them on or glue it on, or you can use it. Some other things you can use it for too, if you want to burn wood burning into it, paint, just different things. And they're really nice to hang up on a wall. I make two different kinds. I make the one that goes straight up and down like this, and then also make another one that goes in an angle like this. Really nice. What's real nice about them is, like I said, if I would happen to, well, it goes this way. So if I happen to put them on a wall, I can put two and hang pictures on them. I can put two, like put them in an angle like this, and you'd have two, and and then put them where you want to put on them. But so simple to make these. And I'm going to show you right now. Just a little handful of wood. Nothing really major. Now, like I said, you can get the Peggott fence boards. You can get them a little bit bigger. I think they're like 5/8, and I like playing everything down to like a 1/2 inch. But you can make them all out of 5/8. It don't matter, because this and here, these are made out of the same wood, but it's a 13 inches long, and then it is 1/2 inch this way, and then 3/4 this way here. So I have two of these I cut, and then I have two smaller ones like this, and they're 10 inches long all the way across here, and then they're 3/4 inch here and by 1/2 inch again. And I have two of those, and we'll set them off to the side. And then we have two plain boards like this, and they're 12 inches long. And let's see, normally they're all the same measurement, is 2 7/8. So they're 2 7/8 by 12 inches. Both of these, there's two of those. These ones are 18. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, they're actually, see how thick I got these ones here. They're all 1/2 inch. So everything's 1/2 inch thick. But I want to tell you this 1/2 inch thick, and then cut these to 1/2 inch thick, or to 3/4, whatever, they're 5/8 where the board comes out. These are 18 inches long by 2 7/8 wide. So you got two of those, okay? And basically what they do is you have two for your sides, or two. Let's put these two up here, and then you have two. Well, actually, it would be the long would come on the outside like this. One here, and one here like this. Now, I normally just staple these in, all these here, and then you can take your first board, and what you do is, all you do is take this first board and you run it to point like this, okay? And then you staple it down or glue it, whatever you want to do. And then you would do another one like this. So, and then of course your two end ones. I must have two more. There's two more here. These two end ones. Then there's two more. Oh, I'm sorry. There's two more right here for the ends, and they are. I just cut them 7.5 inches long, 1/2 inch thick, and same 2 7/8 wide, and they just go right here on the ends like this. Staple and glue them all down. Now that's a pretty nice little pattern anyways, if somebody wanted something like this to look like this. But what you do is you just glue them all down, staple, and then you flip it over this way, and then you put it on a saw and just go ahead and cut it to the size what this is. So I'm going to go ahead and put this thing together real quick and I'll show you. I forgot about these little ones here. Get stuff out of the road. Okay, what I want to do is just go ahead and staple these here together. Now you can glue them and staple them if you like. I mean, that's kind of cool too. Or you can just glue them. Well, no, I would say at least staple them. You know what I mean? I don't know about just gluing them. And get a staple put in these. This side over. It's just a few little things just to build something like this. Okay, now we just lay it down like this, and then we're going to need our boards. And like I said, we take one and we'll put them right point to point here. One. Now I've changed my gun. One has a little bit longer staples than the other one does. Actually, what I want to do is I want to turn it upside down. I want to go this way. Put these two together and do it this way. So I can keep the staples on the bottom so you don't see them on the top, and just line them up with the ends here. Yes. Put this right there. Hold that down if you can. Let's get this one here. This side. Okay, let's slide these other ones under here. The next one, put this over here. Right here. Okay. So what you end up with is you get something that looks like this, and the back looks like this. Like I said, just cut it here, cut it here, cut it here. You can cut it with a scroll saw, you can cut it with even a hand saw. It doesn't matter. Any way you can cut it and then sand up your ends. If you don't have a table saw, do it with. And then what it does, it comes out like this right here. That's what main angle like that. So simple, so easy to make. If you like to tittle around with wood, mess around with it, nice little project to start out with. Makes it a little bit easier. So, and it doesn't cost that much. Okay. All right, that's it for today. So if you've got any comments, just leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And thanks for watching.